This is a restaurant I've been thinking about checking out, Burma Bistro. I wouldn't normally go far out of my way, maybe, to try a place like this. It's a bit upscale for my usual lifestyle, but it's right around the corner from my guest house. Yeah, it's an interesting place, partially because it's so hidden. I mean, you do have a huge sign here, but then when you come down to the entrance, you probably would not think at first that this is how you get in. It's got the full gospel assembly above the door there, but also the Burma Bistro arrow. And then when you come inside, you know, this is the stairway, the stairway to go up to this, you know, very fancy hotel. Well, since we're here, you know, let's just go up and take a quick look. I don't have to stay, just want to glance inside. But yeah, look at this entryway. You feel like you're heading up into a but then you get here and look at this. Hello. I just came up to take a look. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow to have something to eat. Yeah, it's okay if I just come in and look around? Okay. Oh, upstairs. Wow, so beautiful. Okay. So this is the downstairs area. We have a bar. Oh, look at this seating. It's very nice. Full reservation? Yeah. A special party, like wedding or something?
No.
No. Just all different people?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And they reserved for dinner?
This table left.
Oh, you have one table
one
left.
table left,
Okay. So this is the dining area.
Yeah.
And then upstairs
bar.
is the bar. Okay. And the bar is always open.
Yes, always open.
So,
But Monday to Friday we have happy hour.
okay.
Yeah. So if you sit upstairs, but not today.
Not today.
Upstairs is private.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I'll take a look. I can go up, take a look. Okay. Maybe we'll look at your balcony first. Is that? Oh, it's a smoking area. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, so here's the smoking area. The manager, yeah, she was telling me that the whole downstairs area, except for one table, is booked for tonight. So everything is reserved, which is interesting when you think about it, because it's a Tuesday. What's so special about a Tuesday? But the whole place is fully booked, except for one table. But I guess even when all of that is fully booked, you could come and sit out here and have a drink, or go upstairs at the bar. I'm going to go take a look at the bar next. And look at that seat. You can really relax there. Wow, this place looks great. And apparently today the bar is also closed in the evening for a big private function. But she said I could come up just to take a look around. Oh, I see. Hello. I just came to take a look. Oh, okay. So here in the corner, they have it all set up for music. I don't know if it's always like that. Some instruments, microphones. Maybe that's just for the private party tonight. And they have a screen in the background. And I noticed a projector here, so something special is going on tonight. Wow, this is very nice. Little corner seating area. Burma Bistro. Wow, look Look at that off here against the wall. They have all these little private rooms with couches. You can sit in there in privacy. Oh, look at that. They have their own wine cellar. There's a brief period of time in Canada when I became more interested in wine. Very simple wine, of course, but to the extent of trying different wines all the time and then saving the labels and learning about the vineyards and things. But that was a long time ago. Oh, there's the whole bar. In terms of layout, I think I kind of like the dining area a bit better for the layout. Just feels a bit brighter down there. But maybe they have the bar set up for this private party in a way that it's not normally set up that way. But this feels, I think it might be the high ceiling too. Down here, the ceiling is much higher. Feels airy and lighter. Up in the bar, it's a lower ceiling. And she was telling me they have a happy hour. You can see the sign down there. It's a 3-hour happy hour. All alcoholic drinks. 2 for 1. Buy 1, free 1. Except bottles. But that would be upstairs at the bar. But today there is no happy hour because everything is booked for private function. Yeah, as you can see, this whole area here in the dining area seems much more open and lighter. You know, maybe the high ceiling, more light coming in. I like it a lot. Of course, I don't know what the food is like or the prices. Maybe I can take a quick look at the menu here. They have all-day breakfast, the Mohinga Authentic Breakfast. A set for 5,000 chat. That's fine. You can get extras like a fried egg for 500 chat. A Burma breakfast. Quick and easy fried rice, steamed peas, fried egg, and sausages for 3,000 chat. I don't know if that includes coffee, though. Probably not. Some starters, 3,500, 5,000, 6,000. Salads for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000. And their signature dishes. Bachelor chicken curry for 7,000. Pumpkin pork rib stew for 7,000. Aubergine stew, 4,000. Shui bo casserole. I've heard that is a specialty of this place and is very good. I think that's here. Shui bo casserole. 9,000 chat. Rice and bamboo. I've heard of that actually. It's supposed to be quite good. 6,500 chat. Soups. 2, 3, 4,000. Oh, thank you. Okay. Thank you. Burma Bistro. This is a classic case of don't judge a book by its cover. Except I would rewrite that to say don't judge a restaurant by its stairway. Yeah, from this stairway you wouldn't go up here, but once you see the restaurant, yeah, it's very nice. And I haven't done the conversion in my head, but the prices don't strike me as outrageously high for that kind of, atmosphere and setting that they've got going on. My thing is, whenever I eat at a restaurant like this, it's not very often, but when I do, I often don't come out of there feeling full. Like I go in there to have a meal and it's a great experience, but after I come out, then I have to go to another restaurant and have a real meal to feel full. You know what I mean? You know, like a big bowl of, noodles and wonton or something, and that will fill me up. These sort of specialty meals never quite make me feel like I've had a full meal. Maybe I'll skip breakfast at my guest house tomorrow morning and come here for breakfast instead.